This video is 100% AI generated. Every element, from the voice to the visuals, is crafted without showing a face. Why consider faceless video content? First, it broadens your audience. Many viewers appreciate the anonymity and focus on the message rather than the presenter. Second, it enhances privacy. You can share valuable insights and entertainment without putting yourself in the spotlight. This is particularly beneficial for those who are camera shy or want to maintain a level of anonymity online. Furthermore, faceless videos often attract a wider range of content creators. You can experiment with different styles and niches without being tied to your personal image. This flexibility allows for creative exploration in ways that traditional video formats might not. Lastly, consider the efficiency of automation. With tools like AutoShorts, you can set up a series of faceless videos tailored to your niche. Once you establish your topics and preferences, the app handles the rest, creating engaging content that can be scheduled and uploaded seamlessly. Embrace the power of faceless video creation and watch your presence grow organically while maintaining your privacy.